Tired of Prime? This video is your express lane to canceling Amazon Prime, so you can save that cash and keep what matters most. First, head to Amazon.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using a web browser, as the process may differ slightly on the app. Look for Account and Lists in the top right corner, and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Prime. This will take you to your Prime membership details page. On your Prime membership page, scroll down and find the Manage Membership section. Click on Manage Membership, then look for Cancel Membership option, and click on it. Now, Amazon may try to tempt you to stick around, but you want out. Read through the options presented, then you should see the End Membership option. Click it. Your cancellation is almost complete. Amazon will display a final confirmation screen. This will show you your cancellation date and all the benefits you'll lose. From free shipping to streaming video access. Note that it is possible to get a refund depending on when you last used your Prime benefits. Remember, canceling means losing perks like free shipping, Prime Video, Prime Music, and other special deals. Confirm your cancellation, and you're done. You'll receive an email confirmation about your cancellation, and your account will be updated by Prime. And that's it. Now you can relax.